This video tutorial I will explain SSL, TLS and HTTPS. SSL is nothing but secure sockets layer. Imagine you want to send secret message to your friend, but you don't want anyone else to be able to read it. SSL is like a special lock that you put on the message envelope. When you send the message, it gets wrapped up securely so that only your friend can unlock it and read it with their special key. TLS is nothing but transport layer security. TLS is like upgraded version of SSL. TLS works in similar way by providing secure layer for your messages. But TLS is more modern and secure. You can think of TLS as a super strong lock that not only protects the message, but it also makes sure the message cannot be tampered during its journey to your friend. HTTPS, which is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Now imagine you want to send not just one secret message to your friend. You want to send lot of messages to your friend. And HTTPS is like a special service that uses TLS to protect all the messages you send between your web browser and the website. So when you visit a website with HTTPS, all the information exchanged between your browser and the website is secured with the super strong lock, which is nothing but TLS, which ensures your data stays private and safe from the prying eyes. In summary, SSL and TLS are like locks that keep your online communication secure. HTTPS is the combination of TLS with regular web browsing protocol, which is nothing but HTTP protocol. And HTTPS makes sure your data is safe and encrypted while you browse on the internet. This security is crucial, especially when you are entering sensitive information like passwords or credit card details on the websites. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video that you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.